Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are going to clean the fridge. My fridge is dirty, it needs to be cleaned terribly. I am in fridge cleaning clothes. It's gonna be great. So I'm gonna clean it like head to toe, top to bottom. I was trying to think of which one to say. We'll go with both. I need to wash like the glass in it, which is always hard. I'm always afraid I'm gonna break it by like dropping it or accidentally like hitting something in the sink because it doesn't really fit in the sink. You know what I mean? I guess you could clean it in the bathtub. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna clean the fridge. It's gonna be great. I think my strategy is for like crumbs and stuff, it's been a while. I'm gonna use like my little Dyson handheld vac. I'm going to push these out of the way so that way they're not getting like disgusting with food. I don't like, even though it's crumbs. And then I'm gonna wash the drawers out and I'll just hand dry them. Clean out the fridge. So yeah, and then I think I'm gonna I think I'm gonna organize it by color, like color code it. I've seen a few fridges done that way and it looks really pretty. Like you obviously have to do a couple different groupings, like you can't just, you could, but condiments, you know, they fit better in the drawer than something. So I don't really want my condiments like all in the fridge. So I'll have different spots where like colors are assorted, like a couple greens, a couple blues, you know what I mean? It's gonna be so cute, I'm so excited. So yeah, just keep on watching. One shelf done. So I'm literally just laying this out, I let all these dry at one time, and then now that I put this down there, I went ahead and hand dried all these, just moved them here, laying them out. There's just no better way. Gonna do all the drawers and then get all that put back, and then I'll put all of this stuff out. There's just no sense in having it all out at one time. But I gotta hurry because we got our food out. That is all clean. It is time to dry those and put them back in. So now I'm gonna put the food in and I'm gonna try my best to arrange my color. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do when it comes to like the cheese and stuff. I don't know. And I gotta get these in the back. Okay. So I think the cheese is just gonna have to be cheese and go in there where it normally goes, which is in this drawer. So I kind of did my best. This is actually harder. So I wanted the green over here next to all those greens, so it's more visible. Like a visible chunk of green and it's not spread out. And I just put some reds because some stuff is just too tall to go certain places. And yeah, I know I could rearrange my shelving, but I kind of, the way it works is just the way it works. So I've got some like reds, orange, yellows, blues at top. The onions are the purple. This is just gonna kind of be like miscellaneous containers of food, leftovers, and then stuff. And then we're gonna do this now. Coffee, I forgot. Okay, everything's out. I'm gonna wash that. And I kind of went ahead and grouped it all in colors. So like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, kind of black, brown, and white. So yeah, I don't know. Hopefully this goes good. Okay, I've gotten all of my containers dry. Now I'm going to go ahead and place them back in. I'm going to kind of assess what I have that I have the most of, that's the tallest, because that will probably go on the bottom. So I don't know. I feel like I have the most red, so probably that. It's just hard because I like it by levels, and you know what I mean. But we'll just move the shelving as it goes. And actually, I lied. I have to clean in here first.